Indubitably, I'm well.
I'm glad to hear it.
I had to say it. I couldn't stop it from coming.
I think the first outtake being less than 60 seconds in is a good start. It's a
It's a
good
good
sign for this
start.
recording.
It's a good start. That's something my son used to say when he was like 10. Everything was indubitably.
That's gorgeous.
I met a young lady. She wasn't that young. She was a little bit older than me.
You're going to say she wasn't a lady.
She wasn't a lady. No, she was. She was a gorgeous woman. And she said,
Feels like it's something that's taking us to where we want to be. Try that again.
and I wanted to see what your thoughts were about that.
I wasn't expecting to be asked for
So,
thoughts. I am a wreck. So when... Sorry, there was something else I was going to say. See if it's stuck around. No. So when we... No. Speak in a sentence. That would help.
Sentences are overrated.
Okay, put words in an order that makes sense. Let's go with that.
It's happening.
So Russ Harris, who we mentioned a few weeks ago. So Russ Harris, who we mentioned a few minutes ago,